I don't know. Can you go and check it? Can you see me clearly or not really? Can you see my head, everything?
Just no see your hair, just only see your body.
Oh, again?
Yes, and also can see your eye, but I not can see your hair.
Oh man. Okay, I'm taller than you. Maybe I need to find something a little bit
Short.
shorter. Yeah.
Baby, look at video.
No. I think I need to borrow this one.
Are you done yet?
Yeah, I will sit in this.
I think you're not gonna be in the video this time.
Yeah, can you go and check it up?
But I don't see your shorts.
Like this?
I don't see this one.
It's okay, I don't care.
But anyway, I can see your face.
Okay, good. Sit down.
Papa.
Yeah. Countryside.
We in the countryside, and this is my little dog. I made it last night, and we're in Khmer,
In Cambodia, yeah.
and we always go to my daddy work sometimes.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes I go to school, but today I'm sick. I not can go to school.
Oh, that is not good, right?
Yeah,
But you can learn at home.
I need to study at home. If I don't go to school, I need to study at home.
Yeah. So what are you gonna do today?
Today I'm gonna study today,
Okay. And then what else that you...
and then I have to.
You're gonna eat porridge?
And I'm gonna eat porridge, then I can eat my medicine.
Oh, you can... Okay, you can take your medicine, right?
Yes, and then I study.
Okay. That's good. That sounds good. And what do we have in our countryside life here? You have like...
I have chicken, I have dogs, I have goose, and also have cows.
Oh, okay. So we got some cows and... Yeah, it's the duck and chickens. So a little bit later we're gonna show the way we're gonna feed our duck and chicken here.
This is our chickens.
Okay, you can do it. You can do it. And this is who is this?
This is my daddy.
Okay, he's showing around. Don't forget to describe something. This is the chicken.
This is the little duck. This type that
Okay.
walking.
Where the goose, baby? Where the geese?
There. That white one.
Okay.
Oh, that's tiny little duck running around. This is
And
our...
you got hold it still, baby. Hold it still. Uh-oh.
This is my daddy.
Yeah. And you have a few dogs as well.
Here's the doggy.
Yeah.
Tony. Tony the little. Hey.
Okay. Look at the chicken eating the. Okay. That's it, baby.
This is our trunk one. This is our little chicken. Hey.
Hey, chicken.
Oh.
Let me open up the things.
You see that?
And the
They are so
chicken.
cute.
Yeah.
But
Okay.
this is also the pigeon.
The pigeon. What is it?
Pigeon.
A pigeon or pigeon? I don't know.
This is the pigeon.
Pigeon. Okay.
There is the white one is the hair. Is the mother. The black one is is the daddy, but the black one watches the baby.
Okay.
And then the mother is trying to lay the eggs.
Okay. 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 What do you want to show? You want to show the cow or something? Let's go to the cow, baby.
Okay.
Hold still, baby.
Ma. Ma. Good job. This is our doggy. Hello. Hello, cow.
Okay, stay here. Stay here, baby.
We need to go closer.
Closer.
I never touched a cow before. Hello.
Another cows.
2 more.
And then,
1 more.
okay. Okay, that's it. Say
I
goodbye.
want to touch it.
No, it's not good, baby. Okay.
She didn't eat me.
You want to say goodbye?
Bye-bye.
Hey, like this. Say goodbye.